Hello, friends, family, loved ones. Thanks for joining in. Do you want to hear the easiest, popeasiest recipe ever? Dates, grounded up flaxseed, cacao powder. I'm making this cake for my little sister. It's her 15th birthday. Woo! This is honestly a family photo right here. Me and my cake mix. Once you have all your ingredients, let's go soak these dates. But first, we're gonna need some dates. Now we got some dates. And we're gonna need some water. Great, now we have both. This is very easy. You're going to take your dates that have been pitted and you're gonna add them to the water. After you add it to the water, you're going to let this soak for about 20 minutes. After your dates have soaked, put them in the food processor. Grab your grounded up flax seeds and add those in. Go ahead and pulse those two ingredients together. Then grab your cacao powder. You're going to need 2 tablespoons here and add it into the food processor. Keep on processing up everything together. The consistency is going to look like this. For me, I like it a little bit more creamier, so I went ahead and grabbed some water and added it in. Continued processing up everything. This is what we will be using to put the cake in. Wow, so nice. It's from IKEA. Grab your pan, grab your batter, get your spatula. We're gonna put everything together. Let's go. Here I'm using that spatula and scooping all the yummy cake batter into my pan. Look! We made a cake, only using 3 ingredients. 4 if you count water. So while that's sitting in the fridge, I'm gonna go to yoga, and then when I come back, we're gonna make the frosting. Yum, frosting.
2 hours later.
Super simple, easy frosting. Ready? Some dates, cacao powder, avocado. We're gonna take those dates and soak them in water. We're going to soak the dates to make the texture a little bit more creamy. Take the dates and put them in the food processor. Grab that avocado, slice it in half, slice it again. We're gonna put it in the food processor. Now that we have all the avocado in, we're gonna add the cacao powder. This is what it's gonna look like before you start pulsing. Let's start pulsing! Let's start pulsing! Boom, we are all done. Get your cake, get your frosting, let's go. Here I am using that spatula again and just showing you how easy it is to take the frosting and then just painting it on the top of the cake. Once you're all completed, it's gonna look like this. Smells delicious and good for you. Folks, we have our cake all nice and frosted. You can either eat it right now or put it in the fridge and save it for later. If you want to add some strawberries on it, we're gonna go cut some up and then put them on. Now that our cake and frosting is complete, we can decorate it. I let my cake sit in the fridge overnight. So the next day I added some strawberries. Feel free to add whatever you want onto your cake to make it delicious. Our cake is ready to eat. I can't wait to show my little sister. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you, bye.
Okay, this is DK.
This is the birthday girl.
Oh,
This is her, the birthday girl.
This is me.
How old are we, Yas?
We are 15 years old.
Woo!
Okay. Completely raw vegan made by my amazing vegan sister. I'm a fan. Very big fan. So Callie.
Bomb. Highly recommend.
Did we get the Nick stamp of approval?
Highly recommend. Wow.